Hello, 10th grade. How are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome back. Today, we're still learning Unit 2. Today, we are going to discuss lesson number 8, which is talking about the past simple, the differences between past simple and present perfect. Look at the board. Past simple. What do I mean past? What do I mean past simple? الماضي البسيط. For example, they played football. They played football yesterday. They played. Here's the verb. It's in the past form. Played. Now, I'm going to ask you about the action. العمل. They played football. Is the action completed before the moment now? Yes, the action is completed. العمل اكتمل قبل اللحظة. That's the past tense. الجملة في الماضي. Which verb do we use? We use verb to. Past. كل فعل له 3 تصريفات. Present, simple, past participle. Play, played, ed. That's a regular verb. Some verbs are irregular. For example, they drank cola 2 hours ago. 2 hours ago. They drank. Drank here is verb 2. It is in the past form, but it is not regular. So you have to learn the verbs by heart. The regular verbs and the irregular verbs. That's yesterday, 2 hours ago, last year, last month, 10 years ago. These time expressions are always used with the past simple. الماضي البسيط. Now, the other kind of tense that we are talking is the present perfect. Look, present perfect. الحاضر التام. Now, for example, I have already written 3 letters. I have already written 3 letters. I have already written 3 letters. When did the action start? العمل امتى بلش? In the past. Now, is it completed in the moment or continued? It could be continued at the moment. ممكن يكون انتهى في اللحظة بس بلش في الماضي. Or it could be continued in future. Okay? The action started in the past but affected the present. Like how far have I traveled? How far have I traveled? So far. So far. حتى الآن. So far. How far have I traveled? You see, have. الverb. Verb 3. Verb 3. And here is also is verb 3. The action started in the past and is continued in future. Or sometimes when somebody says, I have lived in Ramallah for 10 years. I have lived. The action now is completed. I have lived. Maybe he left to another place. But when we say, I have been living in Ramallah since I was born, the action started in the past and is in continue in future. Okay? So there is a big difference between past simple and present perfect, especially in the action. Here, the action is completed, it's done, اكتملت. The action here affects the present. ولهذا السبب قلت present perfect. Present perfect. Be careful about the time expressions here and time related to time expressions. Time expressions. Here it could be yesterday, 2 hours ago, 10 years ago, last year, last month. Here it could be already, it could be so far, recent years, still, yet, for, since. All these are expressions of time related to present perfect. Okay? Is it clear? The difference between past tense and present perfect. It's easy how to compare between them. Now, as a result, you have to do the exercise number 3, page 26. We have two circles. The green circle and the red circle. Look at the first example. We wake up 5 o'clock a.m. and begin rowing at 6 o'clock. I'm going to put it in the past simple. You see, we woke up at 5 a.m. and what's the past of begin? Began rowing at 6 o'clock. This is the first sentence. It is done. Try to do the other two sentences. In the second box, I'm going to form sentences using the present perfect. We do well today because wind be behind us. Now, we have done. Done is verb 3 from do. Well today because the wind was, اللي أصلها be, was behind us this morning. That's present perfect. Try to do the other two sentences. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, 10th grade. That's all for today. Please do the homework at bit. Thank you very much. See you again. See you soon. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.